va va mana biz YouTube'ga tarqalib ketgan mana shu videoni ko'ramiz. Albatta mana belgilar boshlandi. Bu albatta ikkita bloger bo'ldi. Sizlarga bitta narsa aytacağım. Bu joyi ishga kirishdan boshlanadi. Buni o'zi ham o'sha narsani ko'rganimda bilaman nimaligini. Albatta Skinwalker. Boshqa nima bo'ladi? Men lekin Skinwalkerlarga o'xshab ketadi. Yurishini sekinligiga qaranglar. Bu Skinwalkerning o'zi. Gapirib ish qiladi. Bu ham tez yurmaydi. Sekin. Xuddi toshbaqani bilasizlarmi? O'shanday.
This is his room.
This is his room.
Ever since his brother died, he hasn't been the same.
Endi buni ingliz tili hamma yoqda kerakda endi.
Listen, there's no need to worry. I know how to deal with trouble like this. Just let me try to talk to him.
Buncha gapiraver.
Good luck. Come on.
Qamoqchi ichiga. Men bo'lsaydim chaqiradim. Yo, chaqirmasa kerak.
Careful. It's fine.
Yo, men shuni o'rnida bo'lsaydim, aptiga qaramasdan qo'yardim. Qarasizmi? Lekin bu oddiy odam. Buni bir narsa qo'ying.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
Ham Skinwalkerni bitirmi?
Yeah, there's something wrong. He's been through a terrible tragedy.
Bu gapirayotgan odamning bo'yi bir
Something else. Problem is, he feels like he's
988 metr bo'lsa kerak.
He doesn't have anyone to talk to.
Balki kilometrmi? Bu ham uzun ekan.
You see this? I'm eye level with him to show we're equal.
Endi nima qilib? Nima qilyapti bu? Qusvordi. Qusvordi lekin bu.
Something isn't right with him. Yeah.
Lanki rangmadi.
Listen, I need to clean
Abdan
myself
qaranglar.
off. Then let's set up some cameras.
Voy bechora. Eng qiziq abdiy qusvordi.
Okay, let's set up some cameras.
Okay, let's email. Okay, kameralar qo'yib chiqyapti. U maxluq nimalar qilish haqida. Keyin kameralardan kuzatadi.
What? One of our cameras already spotted something.
Yo'q. Hech kim yo'q ba'zi.
I think it's just a glitch or something.
Birdaniga oldiga kelib qolsa, salom masala yeyman deb. Kala
Dude, something's there. All right, let's go check it out.
oldimga keladi deb qo'rqib yotib. Aka. Amay. Lekin shuni
It's
ham
on the camera in here.
o soat 12. Kimga 12 soat? Mana.
I think it was over there.
Yeah, nega? Bu beshilkalar qimillashini qarang. Kim qimillatib ketgan? Ozgina qimillasin deb. Bu kirmoqchi garang. Bu ham aqlli ham chista o'sha ham aql ham garang. Mana uchasi ya normaldi. Uchasi menda jo'rasimi? Va ya bu kuzatmoqchi. Mana do'stlar ya ulgurmadim-da. Qara. Arqa. Mana shundan kiruvdi. Qara. Ko'rmasdan o'tib ketdimi?
There's nothing here.
Arqangga qara. Muja yaraymi? Ya anasindi.
Dude, why would you knock that over? I didn't. Something pushed that on me. There's something in here with us. Look,
Sen de
there's nothing in here.
gapirib
I just checked. Let's just go talk to Barbara.
boy yeb qo'ydi. Sinib yotibdi. Endi oyog'iga kirib ketsa, endi oyoq qonaydi. Shu uchun oyog'imga kirib ketmasdi va deb yuribdi. Mahluq qiziq. Ana.
Barbara?
Bu nima qilyapti? Barbara? Men bir tentak ko'rishmadim.
I hope everything's okay.
Could you talk to my son?
Bu kulib qo'yadi.
Yeah.
Prosta kulib qo'ydim dey.
Can you fix him?
Bu kulib endi yig'layaptimi?
Caleb is a normal boy. He's not broken. He's just been through a devastating
Wow,
experience.
bunchalik ahmoq bo'lish kerakmi?
Try to understand that.
It's just sometimes I think we lost
Yeah,
Caleb
yeah,
a long time
Mahluq
ago.
jo'sh qilyapti.
Okay, well, we set up cameras all over your house
Oh, what?
and in Caleb's room, so we can see how he's
Lekin
behaving at night.
bo'yni kichkinada
You're not gonna leave me alone, are you?
uzunmas.
I thought you could help keep my bed warm tonight.
Lekin bu nima qilyapti? Intangmi? Ana bu hayron
We're just
qoldi.
gonna stay in your spare bedroom tonight. That's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I guess this is our room. Okay, take the bed on the right, take the one on the left.
Okay.
Oh, dude, no
No.
way.
What?
The bed's completely soiled.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's covered in piss. Like, it looks so bad. Like, oh my god. Damn, we're gonna have to sleep in the same bed.
I'm not going to share this tiny bed with you.
Mahluq ko'ring
Bro, I'm telling you, there's something else in this house with us.
Is that seriously what you're worried about? Dude, Caleb is beyond traumatized, and his mom doesn't seem to be taking this seriously.
Why would you want to stay here after he squirted that liquid all over your face?
Bu sochi uzun, achki kiyib olgan
You and
yotmaslikka
Barbara, I
qarshi.
feel like I'm the only rational adult here.
Kamerani
All I see is
ushlagan
a boy who
yotmaslikka
lost his
qarshi
brother,
bu
and no one else seems to care.
yotishga qarshi
Whatever that
kamerani
thing we saw on the
ushlagan.
camera was,
Mana
it
bu
doesn't
kamerani
want us here.
ushlagan yotishga
We already
qarshi.
checked, and there was nothing
Amanki
there.
qora
And we're not
kiyimdagi
leaving
esa
without observing your son's
yotmaslikka
behavior.
qarshi. Bu yotamiz
Let's just go to
deyapti,
sleep.
yotmaymiz deyapti. Bu qanday?
But dude,
Botkul. Bu yotyapti. Lekin bitta divan ikkalas yotmoqda. Bu ikkita divan tutdi.
good night.
Good night. Xayrli tun. We got to sleep. Va keladi. Soat 1. Bunga yaqinlashdim. Men boya yig'lagan, kulib yig'lagan, uxlab yotibdi. Lekin boya shu o'zi bir qo'rqisudi. Boyagi odam ustiga oqa yo'q ketdimi deyman endi. Voy do'st. va do'stlar va mana qizlarning uxlab yotibdi. Ya ani keldi. Nima qilaygan bu? U kallasini tiqib keldi. Qaraydi. Narsa bo'lmaydi. Uriyani ketgan ekan. Ya, qusur. Do'stlar. Soat 2:30da kallasini tiqib keldi. Tinchgina oralasa hech narsa qilmasmidi yoki qiladimi? Bilmayman, to'g'ri, aniq bilmayman. Shuning uchun bilmayman. Buni. Bu mana. Please, iltimos. O ana. Nima qilaydi? Nima deydi? Urushyaptimi? Ya, urishmayapti, menimcha. Ya, uxla,
Is that Caleb? Bro, let's go.
Avvalgida sizlarga aytganimda bular 100 mingta like hosil endi u tarafini ko'rsatib ulgurmadim. Va sizlar bu videoga mayli 1000 emas, 100 emas. Mayli 100 ta like yig'inglar. Hatto bu like-ni yig'mayapsizlar. Va yana men keyingi videolarni ham ko'rsatamiz. Boshqa videolar yoki bilmasam zo'r o'yin tanlayman. Keyin u o'yinni ko'rsatamiz. 100 mingta like, 100 ta like yig'inglar. Va 100 mingta like kiryapti. 100 ming. Biza 100 ta like. Yana shunaqa videolar ko'rib chiqaramanda.
Bro, he's gone.
What?
I think something happened to him.
Incha. Bular bir-birini urishganda. Nima qildi? Hech kim yo'q.
Jessup! Are you okay? What was that? What?
O'zidan qaraganda hech narsa yo'q, lekin bo'rdek tuyular.
What is it?
Hold on. Menimcha do'stga ruh bo'lib qoldi bo'lsa kerak-da. Friend degan joyi ham bor edi-da. Do'st degan joyi ham bor edi. Friend degan do'st degan deymi? Yo'q, qaramoqchi.
Look! What? I can see it! It's like a room! Come on! Okay!
Kilitsa bo'lmaydimi? Do'stlar, xullas shu labotda keyingi videolarda endi buni yosh tarafini ko'rish kerak. Buni bahosh